it's Wrong with Hands-On Therapy Services. Are you having some shoulder pain or discomfort when you're trying to fall asleep, stay asleep, and you're wondering why you have pain or what you can do to help get rid of that pain when you're trying to fall asleep? I'm going to show you a few tips that I have. So, I'm ready to sleep. That's right. So one of the things when you're laying on your back, if you take a look at the shoulder, and depending on the shape of your body and your bed and your pillows and your arms, when you lay down and you have shoulder pain in the front or the back, look, you might be having some of that shoulder pain because of other issues on your shoulder that's causing that pain. But one of the ways to help you feel more comfortable, oh, I forgot to grab a towel. Let me grab a towel and show you. So I like to use towels. They're fantastic. You can use a towel, you can use a pillow, but when you go to lay down, you'll see that your elbow falls past your shoulder, and that might be causing you some pain. So one of the ways I like to do is I like to get a towel and just put it right below my elbow, and it's going to help to really align my shoulder better, okay? And then that way I'll have less shoulder pain. That's one way to do it if you're a back sleeper and you can tolerate sleeping on your back. So if I'm having some shoulder pain on my right side, it's going to be really hard for me to sleep on it, okay? You can sleep on it, it's just that you might suffer from more pain later or pain when you wake up in the morning. So one of the things that I recommend is to try and fall asleep on your other side. Okay, so let me just kind of switch over here and show you. So now if you're having right shoulder pain, whichever shoulder you're painful, just sleep on the other side. So I'm going to show you on this side. I'm going to sleep on the right side. I'm going to sleep on the left side, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure I use a big pillow so that I can hug it, and it's going to give me a little bit of support so that my arm's just not like dangling down. See, if it's dangling down, it's going to put some pressure, and it's going to kind of stretch your shoulder blade and shoulder in a way that's going to cause you more pain. So just use a pillow and hug it. And then that way you'll, 1, be able to fall asleep better, 2, stay asleep, and 3, hopefully wake up with less pain. I hope that's helpful. These are just some tips to help you if you have shoulder pain. Now, if you have persistent shoulder pain, make sure you talk to your therapist, whether it be an occupational therapist or a physical therapist, to get some help in getting rid of that shoulder pain completely so that you can fall asleep on your favorite side.